Are you ready, ma'am?
Yeah.
All right, your name?
Kanupriya.
Anupriya. Kanupriya. All right, we have this lovely lady out here, Kanupriya. So I want one more contestant to come up on the stage so that he or she may serve as a competition to her. Please come up on the stage. All right, so we have another pretty lady with us who is going to give her a competition. Now let's see who wins. Please come up here.
How many do you want? Ice cream? Four each? Two each.
All right, your name, ma'am? Ekta. Ekta. हमारे साथ एकता है और कनुप्रिया है. Do you suffer from sensitivity?
Yeah.
Did you try a new product?
Yeah, just now.
Does it help? Like कुछ फायदा हुआ आपको? कुछ डिफरेंस लग रहा है?
Can't say now. When I will try, maybe.
All right. So अभी आपके सारी प्रॉब्लम्स अभी सॉल्व होंगे because अभी आपने टेस्ट लिया है and now we are going to ask you to have this ice cream as soon as possible. Okay? You both have to taste this ice cream, 2 bowls for each one, and you have to eat it in the least possible time. And whomsoever is able to eat it in the least possible time and is able to beat her sensitivity problem will be given a reward on behalf of Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. Imagine इससे अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता ना. You are getting a product, you are getting a fantastic dessert to eat, and then you are also getting a fantastic gift. Isn't it good? All right, are you ready?
Try it.
All right. So can I have the stopwatch, please?
It's okay. I mean, I understand. I understand. But you have to eat it in the least possible. Okay, I'll try to taste it.
All right. So here we have Miss Kanupriya and Miss Ekta with us, who are ready for the competition. So your time is just going to begin. आपको पता है क्या करना है? आप दोनों को ट्राई करनी है आइसक्रीम. जो सबसे पहले फिनिश करेगा 2 स्कूप ऑफ आइसक्रीम, 2 bowls of ice cream will be given a grand gratification on behalf of Colgate Sensitive.
Just need a clarification. Like if we just finish 1 cup and the other person is not able to finish, then also we.
Yes, of course. जो सबसे पहले फिनिश कर लेगा, आपको अगर कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो आप एक बोल लेके दोनों ट्राई कर सकते हैं. You can try 1 bowl, you can try 1 bowl, and whoever is able to finish that first bowl in the least possible time will be given a gift. All right. So, am I clear? All right. So your time starts. You can handle the bowl. All right. So आपका समय शुरू होने वाला है. Buckle up, ladies. Okay. Time starts now. All right. सब दोनों ने अच्छे से जल्दी खाना शुरू कर दिया. दोनों इतने स्लो हैं. Competition spread ही नहीं लग रहा है. This yes, come on. All right. Both are ready to beat this sensitive teeth problem and both are ready to give this challenge. And let's see, it's been 17 seconds and no one has been able to complete the cup. We still have time left and I got to see who is able to complete this test in the least possible time. दोनों के पास आइसक्रीम शुरू हुआ है. आइसक्रीम फटाफट खा रही है मैम. देखते हैं कौन सबसे पहले खाना शुरू करता है. Okay, so Miss Kanupriya has emerged out as a winner of the first channel of today from Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. Thank you so much. आपका मुंह बंद हो गया लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. But you have actually satisfied our competition and you have managed to win this extremely special prize from Summer of Freedom. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much. And Miss Ekta, thank you so much for participating with us. At least you have got sensitivity relief, and you can also fill up a lucky draw and put it in that glass box, because at the end of the day we are going to take out 5 lucky winners and those people will be rewarded as a grand gift. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So as you have seen, there have been 2 pretty ladies who participated with us, who have also taken up challenge of having the ice cream in the least possible time. So all the people out here who suffer from sensitivity or who do not suffer from sensitivity can come up here, take up the challenge and can prove to themselves that they have a healthy tooth, they have a healthy lifestyle, and finally they can enjoy their life better. So I request all the people out here at Ramley Small Gurgaon to be a part of this amazing Summer of Freedom with Dr. Farhan and Frosty on behalf of Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief.